in Natya Lila it's explained that Radharani prays to such an extreme extent that she says, "Oh my Lord, oh my Gopinath, oh my Prananath, if you find pleasure in making me unhappy, if making me unhappy gives you happiness, then that distress or that unhappiness that I undergo is my greatest source of happiness." In other words, if smashing me makes you happy, well, smash me all the time. It's a very inconceivable meditation. So therefore, there's nothing that makes Krishna happier than Radharani. So our idea was that if we, during this month of Purushottam, if we glorify Radharani, the Nam, Rup, Gun and Leela of Radharani, then Krishna will become so happy. That will make Krishna so pleased during his Purushottam month, his personal month. That he'll shower his blessings, especially shower his blessings, because he's in such a good mood. When you make someone happy or please them, they become in a good mood, happy mood. And when someone's in a good mood, they're very much in it. They like to give, and it's a good time to ask for a donation. That's what wives do. They cook very nicely for their husbands, and husband's in a good mood, and they say, "Oh, by the way, I need some money." And he's in a good mood. He says, "Yeah, take whatever you want." But you certainly don't ask when someone's in a bad mood. Someone's angry and upset, and, "Oh, nothing's going right at work today, and someone banged my car, and this and that, and it was a terrible day." And it's, "Oh, can I have some money?" No, forget it. So timing is everything. Timing is everything. So in the time, Kaladesha Patra, time, place, and person. So when Krishna is in a good mood, it's a good time. It's a good time when Krishna is in a good mood to ask for something. "Oh, hey Bhagavan, Kripa Kuru. Please, all I want is your mercy. All I want is your lotus feet on my head. All I want is your eternal service. Nothing more, nothing less." So we want to, what they say in colloquial terms, butter him up. Butter him up. We want to grease him up. We want to make Krishna pleased. So he said, "Oh, they're sitting hearing about the glories of Radharani? Well, I want to come also there and listen." So this is our mind idea why we're not doing Krishna Karnamrita. Krishna Karnamrita we can do in Kartik, or at least someday when we have some adhikar to discuss such a book, or at least we could, if someone else did discuss it, we could read their commentaries. But either book we had no adhikar to discuss. But fools rush in where angels dare not. But in the attempt not to dive into a very deep and confidential scripture, but actually our attempt is innocent. Our attempt is simply to please Krishna and to make him happy. And we're not very expert at that or very competent at that. But we know that he loves this book, Radharasa Sudhanidhi, and he loves Radharani more than anything. So that's our idea. Srimad Bhagavatam is considered the direct incarnation of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. And Radharasa Sudhanidhi is accepted as the direct incarnation of Sri Radha. Radharasa Sudhanidhi ki jai. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad ki jai. Radharasa Sudhanidhi is a desire-fulfilling tree, Kalpavriksha, capable of giving one the highest gifts. In Bhajan Rahasya, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, which we discuss in Kartik, Bhajan Rahasya, he quotes 7 shlokas to prove the supremacy of Radha Dasyam. Radha Dasyam is a term which means the eternal loving service of Sri Radha's divine lotus feet. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he wrote, "By reading Radharasa Sudhanidhi, one experiences a transcendental happiness that has nothing at all to do with the happiness